Step over here for you all. We see Mars, the moon, and Jupiter. Mars, and the moon. It's passing this way. So right now the moon is in between Jupiter and Mars. Jupiter is all about expansion and growth, and Mars is a very energy. It's very strong and slicing. Likes to break things apart. Very much representative of like an earthquake, breaking that fault apart. And the moon is representative of the earth and the rhythms, and one of the main agents for earthquakes. So it is interesting that we have, and also Uranus there, planet of disruption and change. It is interesting that as the moon passes in between these three planets, we get that very powerful for earthquakes. So it is interesting that we have, and also Uranus there, planet of disruption and change. It is interesting that as the moon passes in between these three planets, we get that very powerful 7.6 earthquake. Interesting. You know, if you know the archetypal symbolic sequence, it lines up pretty nicely. But you have to suspend your brain a little bit. You have to suspend the left brain a little bit to make sense of it. Because you have to utilize your right brain and do something.
Amen.
What about Greece? It's still shaking. I recommend you watch my latest video I just pushed out about that. Because I just